In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find long-tail keywords using Ubersuggest. First and foremost, head over to the Ubersuggest platform by visiting neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. You'll need to log into your account. Now this could be either a free or paid account depending on your needs, but don't worry, both options will allow you to follow along with today's instructions. Now that you're logged in and on the Ubersuggest dashboard, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you'll enter your main keyword or topic. Think of a broad term that's central to your content, like vegan recipes. Once you have your main keyword typed out, go ahead and click on the search button. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for finding more specific long-tail keywords. After initiating your search, turn your attention to the left-hand menu of the Ubersuggest interface. You'll want to click on Keyword Ideas. This section is a goldmine of information. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of related keywords, complete with search volumes, SEO difficulty scores, and cost per click values. These insights are pivotal in understanding how each keyword could potentially perform and which ones could be more manageable to rank for. As you look through the list under keyword ideas, pay close attention to those with 3 or more words. These are the long-tail keywords you're interested in. Why is this important? Long-tail keywords like easy vegan recipes for weight loss are typically more specific and often less competitive than shorter keywords. This specificity can help in targeting a more engaged audience who are further along in their decision-making process. Now, to further refine your keyword search, you'll want to use the sorting and filtering options available within Ubersuggest. Aim to identify those long-tail keywords that are not only specific, but also easy to rank for. A practical approach is to filter for keywords with an SEO difficulty score of 35 or lower and a search volume of over 100. These criteria ensure you're focusing on keywords with potential traffic, but aren't fiercely competitive, making them perfect candidates for your content strategy. Once you've identified a selection of promising long-tail keywords, it's time to export your findings. Simply tick the keywords you want, then click on Export to CSV to download them. This feature is incredible for keeping your findings organized and ready for use. Whether you're planning to optimize blog titles, create compelling YouTube video content, or set up effective Google ads, having these keywords readily available is invaluable. And there you have it. With these steps, you're equipped to find and utilize long-tail keywords using Ubersuggest effectively. Happy optimizing!